Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama sa Great Channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating makakagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo guys. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So, ito na. Tutunghayan na natin yan. Alamin na natin yan. Angel Spirit. Let's give me information. For the sign of Virgo. So, this is a page of wands. So, taray ha. Ngayong buwan na to, baka kakuha ka ng mensahe. Magandang balita. Ay, pasabag. So, see, this is something, a judgment for a wake-up call or inner calling. No? Kung may paalala dito ng ating divine. Na you need to pay attention sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa paligid mo. No, it's a something instrument dito with a trumpet na nagre-represent dito na, makinig ka. No? Makinig kang mabuti or makinig kayong mabuti. Ano? Kailangan yung pakiramdaman kung ano yung mga bagay o tao sa paligid nyo. Kung ano yung mga eksena dyan or babala or paalala. This is a night of course with an offer. No? Kumbaga may mensahe, may babala, may paalala na itong offer na to and sinasabi na don't be missed. No? Huwag nyong hayaan na makalagpas. This is the Queen of Cups for emotional healing. So, magkakaroon ka na ng emotional healing or emotional freedom, no? Para mawala yung stress, anxieties, and of course, the worries mo. Additional messages. So, this is the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Kung mabagal man pero sigurado at plakado, no? Ito yung mga bagay sa'yo na inahanda na, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong maghanda sa eksena na to dahil mukhang magiging malaking pasabog nitong buwan na October. This is the Emperor na nag-represent na be mature enough and be grounded. Hindi pwede ang immature, no? Hindi pwede isip bata sa eksena na to. Kailangan lahat ng mga bagay-bagay dito ay iintindihin mo. Lahat ng mga bagay dito kailangan uunawain mo. So let's see what is the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is a reference to the Ace of Cups. So may message dito na mukhang may bagong parating din na pag-ibig na magpapatibok sa pihik ang puso mo. Na may darating dito na maaaring hindi lang basta love involvement, kundi it's about a partnership. Oh my goodness. So let's see what is a judgment. Reference to the Ace of Wands. Oh my goodness. This is a new plans, a new project coming in for you. So babala na kailangan maghanda ng mga bagong plano, no? Mag-isip ng mga bagong eksena na kailangan mong ayusin, no? At kailangan mo mag-umpisa as soon as possible. So let's see what is the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups refers to the Six of Cups. Oh, this is something, an offer for apology, no? May hingi ng tawad from the past. Or either this is something offer with other relatives, a past person, no? Or familiarity. Or either reminiscence, no? May mga bagay dito offer sa'yo na, kumbaga, ibabalik ka sa nakaraan na kailangan mong matutunan na yung mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo ay hindi na maulit, no? So let's see what is the Queen of Cups. Represents Four of Cups. May re-evaluate or analyze, no? Kailangan pag-isipan mabuti at kailangan mong i-clear out lahat ng mga bagay dito by emotion. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mong tanggapin lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na nasa harapan mo. No? Kailangan mong tanggapin magpatawad, kailangan mong tanggapin yung mga sasabihin nila, no? Kailangan maging mature ka. No, hindi, kumaga, wag mo tingnan yung negative sides. Tingnan mo yung positive sides. No, being optimistic. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands serves as the Knight of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance, with a financial windfall. No? Kumaga, mabagal man ang eksena na to, pero sinasigurado magtutuloy-tuloy to. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Emperor. Represent the Six of Wands for victory is yours. So, magtatagumpay ka, maaaring magiging boss ka someday, or you are being a leader, no? Leader, or either a boss, no? Or this is something high standard person. So, let's see what is the Page of Wands in the Ace of Cups. Reference to the Empress card for a revert. Oh, fertility or something blessing coming in for you. May darating na blessing this, guys, or either this is something over with love, but this is something a new beginning that brings you a new person, na maaaring magbuntis ka, no? Maaaring kumaga, madagdagan ng inyong family. So, let's see what is the judgment across the Ace of Wands. So, reference to the Three of Wands, this is something waiting for a salt, waiting for a ship, no? Kumaga ito yung matagal mong hinihintay, babala na, wag mong palalagpasin. Na itong darating na offer na to, oh, ito yung mga bagay na hindi mo inaakalang darating. So, let's see. What is the Knight of Cups and of course the Six of Cups? Represent the Seven of Swords. Oh, itong tao na to na babalik sa buso mo o sa buhay mo ay hindi talaga totoo. No? This is something sneakiness, cheating, lying on you. No? Maaaring itong offer na to ay hindi, kumbaga, para talagang magkaroon ng peaceful, no? Ay, kundi para linlangin ka o guguluhin ka. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and the Four of Cups. Represent the Two of Swords with an indecision. No? Kumbaga sa ngayon, nahihirapan ka mag-decide kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggapin, na kailangan mo i-clear out. So, ito yung sinasabi na kailangan mo tumanggap, no, na hindi na siya magbabago. No? Or either kailangan mo nang tanggapin na kailangan mo nang i-let go. Or either, kailangan na talaga siyang kalimutan. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. So, represent what? Represents the Eight of Wands. So, this is something fast communication and fast movement. So, this is something a travel, no? An information that brings you a new adventures, no? At itong bagay na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng tuloy-tuloy na finances. So, this is something slowly but surely na unti-unti ka na makakabangat makakaraos. So, let's see. What is the Emperor of the Six of Wands? The Emperor and the Six of Wands represent the Queen of Wands by confidence, no? Kailangan malakas ang loob mo, lakas ang pakiramdam mo. Dahil itong bagay na to, ang magdadala sa'yo ng panibagong eksena. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome dito is the Two of Pentacles with balance, no? Maging balanse ka sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng aspeto. And the Eight of Cups is something moving on, or getting away from the situation, na kailangan nyo ng pakawalan kung ano man yung negatibo na nangyari sa nakaraan. So, let's see. And this is something, the Five of Cups, no? This is something disappointment, no? Kung magkakaroon ka ng disappointment or something regret, but eventually, guys, kailangan mo na i-let go. Or maaaring nagsisisi sila sa mga bagay na ginawa nila sa'yo. At sinasabi dito, pakawalan mo. This is something high priestess with an hidden agenda dahil hindi mo pa totoong alam yung pakay nila. Diba? Kaya kailangan mag-isip ka, no, na mabuti. This is something in mystery or secrets will be revealed. So, let's see. And this is the Page of Pentacles with an investment. So, invest wisely. So, guys, let's see additional messages pagdating sa finances and career. Finances and career represent the Kingman or new perspective. So, kailangan baguhin ang pananaw, baguhin ang kaisipan, baguhin ang mindset or something. This is not bring you a delays or cancellation. Kailangan mong linawin at linisin ang nasahanay mo. Baka ito yung nagsisilbing balakid sa pag-asenso mo. And this is a time of Cups with happiness. So, magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ang iyong pamilya. So, let's see. And this is a Page of Swords na get more information. Kailangan pang malaman, no? So, let's see. Additional messages. So, this is spying looking, watching at you. No? May nagsusubaybay. This is something in evil eye. Pagdating sa family, may naiingit talaga sa pamilya nyo. Kaya kailangan yung waksiin, alisin, mag-cleansing kayo, guys. No? Ng bahay, baka binibigyan ng pampamalas, gano'n. So, mag-cleansing kayo ng bahay. So, let's see. Additional messages. Pagdating sa love life, sa love life, this is something a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. So, kumbaga sa mga nakaraang buhay mo, nakaraang eksena mo pagdating sa pag-ibig, maaaring kumbaga, ito na yung hudyat, no, na maaaring magpatibok sa pihig ang puso mo at maaaring itong tao na to ang magdadala sa isang pangmatagalang relasyon at pangmatagalang pagsasama at pangmatagal o habang buhay na eksena. This is something at Seven of Pentacles for long term. I told you so. So, itong tao na to ay hindi lang siya basta-basta for financial, no? Kumbaga, itong tao na to for a partnership that brings you a long-term relationship. So, let's see. Additional, this is a Hierophant. So, this is a both separation. Maaring parehas kayong separated na. O yun, kailangan nyo muna linisin o ayusin ng inyong relasyon, no? Sa mga nakaraang nakarelasyon nyo, no? Bago kayo pumasok sa isang relationship ulit. So, let's see. Additional messages with, health. Pagdating sa health mo naman, ngayong buwan na to, this is a time for healing, guys. Magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing and financial healing. And this is something, Chariot, when you're taking action with the two joining forces. Talagang pinapakita dito na magtutulong-tulong ang mga ating mga gabay na para, di ba, ialis ka sa lungkot-lungkot at mga pinagdaanan, mga sakit, sakripisyo, pinaghihirap, at karanasan na maaaring hindi mo na gugustuhin pang ibalik pa. No? Ito yung mga bagay na maaaring, kumbaga ito na yung moving forward, no? Ito na yung pagbangon mula sa kalugmukan. So let's see, guys, what is additional messages pagdating sa magical fairy messages? And there's a pregnancy, I told you so. Maaaring magbuntis ka o maaaring magkaroon ng biyaya dito or blessing na magkaroon ka ng bagong biyaya sa negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Bagong bahay, gano'n. At sinasabi dito, you got the way, you got the power. So sinasabi dito na, use your abilities to resolve this situation and you can do it. No? Kayang-kaya mong gawin, kayang-kaya mo solusyonan sa sarili mo pamamaraan. No? Kayang-kaya mo talaga daw to. So let's see, guys, now what is additional messages with an angel spirit pagdating sa romance, angels pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. Anong chika sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? So ito na, tutuklasin na natin at alamin natin yan. Ito na, guys. So, this is something black. Oh, my goodness. May nagbablock talaga. Oh, this is a lot of obstacle. May gumagawa talaga ng ng pampamalas sa'yo, no? Or gumawa ng eksena para hindi ka maging ma-asenso. Oh, kaya pala this is something, pagdating sa partnership or pagdating sa career mo, this is something dehingment. Ito yung kailangan yung maalis yun. And this is something peace. Magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan. Oh my God, I love it. Additional messages. And of course, this is something anxiety worry. Ito, isa pa to sa mawawala yung stress mo, no? Yung pag-iisip mo na kung ano-ano. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Represent what? Represent is by looking, watching it. Oh, I told you. Di ba? May sumusubaybay talaga sa iyo, dahil. Kuya, meron talaga naiinggit sa inyong pamilya. Kaya meron talaga sumusubok at sirain talaga. No, kung sino man yung makakarelasyon mo, sino mamamahalin mo, no, talagang sisirain ito. And this is something as alchemic with ancestor guides, no? Ginagabay ka na mahal mo sa buhay or just something widow. Na meron ditong, kumbaga, byudo o byuda din na maaaring, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng panibagong relasyon. So, this is the moment na maaaring may mga nararamdaman ka. Oh, kailangan mo mag-take ng action dyan. And this is cycle with completions, no? Talagang babaguhin to with a change, no? With a butterfly. Talagang pinapakita dito na mababago na ang ikot ng kapalaran pagdating sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. Pagdating sa synchronicities, guys, so let's see, this is something resilience, no? Tikong bibig, maging tahimik ka lamang sa mga gagawin mong actions. Ito yung sinasabi ko na, kumbaga meron dyan lumalapit sa inyo na hindi, mamaya, yun pala, meron palang lihim na ginagawa sa'yo at lumalapit-lapit pa rin sa'yo. And this is a rest, so kailangan mo magpahinga, no? Masyado na pagod ang utak mo sa kung ano-ano iniisip mo. And this is something mother figure. Oh my goodness. So this is something pregnancy talaga. Maaaring magbuntis ka. And this is something success. No? Maaaring magsasuccess ka. Maaaring sinasabi pagbuntis. Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng another branches pagdating sa negosyo, hanap buhay. Diba? So let's see, guys. Now, what is an angel's messages with a money move oracle then? Pagdating sa money and career reading. Because this is something winning. Talaga ipapanalo mo to. Don't spend everything at once. So this is something sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. So talagang pinapakita dito naman ipapanalo nyo to, eksena na to. And there's a helping hand. So maaring, kumbaga itong palad mo ay maaring swerte, no? Swerte ang palad mo. Sa lahat ng bagay, no? You are also creativity and productivity. Oh my goodness. Power. No? Kumbaga kayang-kaya mo mag-isip, kayang-kaya mo gumawa ng isang bagay na kakaiba. So let's see. What is additional messages with an angel's number? Represent ano? Marunong ka daw hindi, ha? May mga bagay na hindi mo dapat ginagawa or may mga bagay na hindi mo dapat sinasang-ayunan. And it's up to you. Nasa sayo na yan, ha? Kung gagawin mo. And peaceful resolution, magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan solusyon. So let's see, pagdating sa pag-ibig, romance angels, let's see. Represent attractions. No, you are being attracted to anyone. Na maaaring kumbaga itong tao, ikaw yung tao na maaaring malakas ang sex appeal mo or charisma mo. Marami nagkakagusto sa iyo or this is something you deserve love. Oh, kumbaga deserve mo naman daw mahalin. Talaga ba? So let's see what is an angel's messages with the Archangel Michael. And admit the truth to your feelings and act accordingly. So, kumbaga iwasan mo yung magpanggap. No, kung ano man yung totoo, kung ano man yung meron ka, yun ang gawin mo. No, iwasan mo magpanggap, iwasan mo magpakita sa mga bagay na alam mong wala ka naman, ganon. And this is something, shield yourself. Protection naman yung sarili mo, ha? Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangang patunayan yung sarili mo sa kanila. No, bagkos kung ano man ang meron ka, spread it out. No, ipakita mo sa kanila kung ano lang yung meron ka. So, let's see what is the energy. Represent storm warning, no? Mayroon talagang unos na susubok sirain, buwagin ang eksena mo. So, mag-iingat ka. Yung okay ka na, tapos biglang babalik ulit yung nakaraan, no? Mag-ingat ka sa ganon, no? Kumbaga merong no? Kumbaga may aftershock. This is something strategy. Oh, ginagamitan ka lang ng strategiya or kailangan mo gumamit ng strategy. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And of course, this is something options. Oh, choices. Kailangan pumili ka ng mga bagay na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo na magdadala sa'yo ng balance. And this is environmentalism. Napapalibutan ka ng negative and positive. Kaya alam mo sa sarili mo kung saan ka kampante at alam mo saan ka nakakagaang-gaang. So, let's see. Additional messages. Iwasan mo yung mga taong nega, ha? And there's a loneliness. So, wag ka mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. And this is something guilt. Marami nagagalit at naiinis talaga sa'yo. And this is in denial, no? I-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yung awareness. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Child of the cosmos. So, this is something, the intelligence of the universe lies within you. No? Binibigyan ka ng katalinuhan, binibigyan ka ng kaisipan ng ating mga gabay. So, kailangan mo makinig sa inner voice mo. Meron kang visions dito, guys. Instinct, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Oh, psychic abilities, no? Kumbaga, mayroong kakayanan din, no? May kakayanan, kaalaman ka din. Oh, gamitin mo ng wais at tama. This is something, a transformation with a magic, no? Gamitin mo yung intuitions, guys, or spiritual abilities. This is something dancing movement, no? Gagalaw na ang baso or gagalaw na ang eksena na magpapabago sa landasin mo. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra, represent what? Represent abundance. Talagang, di ba, ang kasaganahan talaga hindi nalalariyo sa'yo, No, this is something creations. May gumagawa lang ng spell sa'yo, ha? Kaya parang this is something unuusok dito na nag-represent na hangin. May palipad hangin sa'yo. And this is something growth. No, may ugat talaga ng eksena. May pinanggagalingan to. Or magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And this is something hydration. So, hydrated. So, sabi dito, kailangan mo ng tubig, no? Kailangan mo ng maraming tubig dito. And this is have faith. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating poong may kapal, sabi ng ating Archangel Raphael. Huwag ka mawawala ng pag-asa. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Represent a star, a new start is coming. So, magsisimula ng panibago eksena. And don't let pride get in your way, no? Alisin yung pride, ego. At sinasabi dito, this is something, a balance, spiritual, and practicality. So, kailangan mo maging balance, no? So, let's see what is a Jesus-loving quotes. Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it. No? Yung mga taong binibless na yun, naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos. At the same time, forgive and you shall be forgiven. No? Magpatawad ka at pagpapatawarin ka rin sa yung mga kasalanan na nagawa. No? So, let's see. Ayun yung sinasabi na kailangan mong pakawalan yung negatibo. Kasi yun yung magkukulong sa'yo para hindi ka maging maasenso. For the angel's number, represent what? Represent 3334 for social skills. Oh, this is something, the problems you have today will eventually disappear. Your guardian angel encourages you to maintain a positive outlook on life. Since your luck may be about to change, it is a time to use your captivating everything in inspirational personalities. Don't let your ego get the best of you. So, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba. Alisin mo rin yung, kumbaga, yung yabang or galit sa ibang tao, no? Baka yun yung nagbibigay ng negatibo na kailangan, kumbaga, pakawalan mo, no? And you will be successful someday. So, let's see. What is the messages of life? Represent the inner alchemist. So, sinasabi dito, like an alchemist, I possess all the power I need to build a life of joy and harmony. Today, through my positive thoughts, words, and deeds, I create my own life. I understand that I can use the inner magic of intention to transform my life, transform myself. In the same way, an alchemist transform lead into gold. Today, I create happiness. So, see? Kung magala mo dapat sa sarili mo na hindi ka masisira ng anuman o ni naman. No? Kailangan mong pakawalan at kailangan mong kung mag-embrace, no, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo at tanggapin yung mga bagay na kumbaga, na ibinibigay sa iyo. At sinasabi dito, this is something in openness, no, pagtanggap at pagbigay. I know that when one door closes and another opens, today I trust the universe, I trust myself, I trust life, no matter what has gone before. I have faith that something better is on this way. My willingness to release that past prepare me to accept that many opportunities God's open for me. Bago pa yun ibigay sa iyo, alam na ng ating Panginoon na mangyayari yan. Alam ng ating Panginoon kung ano yung katangiang pagkakalob sa iyo at yung mga bagay na pagtanggap sa mga bagay na nawala sa iyo. So, ganun lang yon, no? Kailangan mong tanggapin at mahalin at pakawalan yung mga negativities na nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of October 2024 for the sign of Virgo. So, Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And the notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Just at may kapal. Siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.